It is inevitable that forging dies produce wear and tear in the course of use. In the traditional way, forging die repair mainly relies on manual overlay welding with machining. In order to improve the efficiency of mold repair and save costs, many companies using the forging process for product processing have begun to try to carry out mold repair through high-precision 3D vision scanning technology and industrial robots.
We can plane off the fatigue layer and then scan with a 3D scanner. After obtaining a digital model of the cavities, we would compare it with the platen model drawing. Then a professional robotics engineer will program the weld path and let the robot welding program guide the robot to automatically overlay the mold to be repaired. The step after overlay welding is tempering and cooling to achieve a certain hardness requirement. Finally, the robot will machine the complete cavity of the mold according to the preset program. At this step, the model is considered to be repaired.
High-precision 3D vision scanning technology played an important role in this innovative forging die repair solution, as the FreeScan Combo accurately and efficiently captured the 3D data of the die to be repaired, providing the database for the robotic overlay welding operation.
Traditional repair methods are subject to errors, time-consuming and labor-intensive, and often affect production schedules. We choose Chinese 3D scanner mainly because of the high accuracy. The use of scanners and robots to repair molds is indeed a great saving of manpower, cost saving and improved efficiency. When choosing the scanner, we consulted a lot of information. Facts have proved that our choice is right.
Shining 3D will continue to share more innovative solutions and provide new ideas for industrial manufacturing to reduce costs and improve efficiency.